Sony's been chasing Bose to create the ultimate noise-canceling headphone. It may have finally done it with this, the WH-1000XM3. It seems as if Sony's engineers went through CNET's review of last year's 1000MX Mark II and corrected each small issue I had with it. The biggest change is to the design of the headband and padding on the ear cups. The headband is now more contoured to your head, and the headphone has shaved 20 grams of weight. The padding on the ear cup is also a little bit softer. The end result is the headphone is clearly more comfortable. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35 is still lighter, but this model is now neck and neck with the Bose in terms of comfort. Both headphones list for $350. Sony has also moved from micro USB to USB-C, and there's a new quick charge feature that gives you 5 hours of playback from a 10-minute charge. Total battery life is rated at 30 hours. That's very good. I was a little critical of headset performance in my review of earlier 1000X models. For this headphone, the engineers shifted to a new 3-microphone array system that filters out background noise while picking up your voice during calls. The headset performance does seem better as a result. There are a few other cosmetic changes. The exterior finish on the ear cups, where you'll find the touch controls, is smoother, and the carrying case is slightly different. There's a spot for the short USB-C cable and the included headphone cord. And yes, the headphone does sound very good in wired mode. Sony reps told me this model has the same drivers as its excellent MDR-1A Mark II headphone, and I think this definitely sounds better than the Bose Quiet Comfort 35. It sounds more natural with a little bit better definition, clarity, and strong, punchy bass. The noise canceling also matches Bose's, and thanks to Sony's adaptive sound control feature, it may actually be superior. I'm not going to get into all this headphone's features. You can check out my full review for that, but Sony has retained perhaps the best extra feature, the ability to muffle your music and let the outside roll in by simply holding your hand over the right ear cup where the touch controls are located. Once you finish talking to someone, you remove your hand and the music resumes playing at its previous volume and the noise cancellation kicks back in. The Bose Quiet Comfort 35 is due for an upgrade and should get better. But for now, Sony's 1000MX Mark III has taken over the title as the top noise-canceling headphone on our list.